What's up everybody, I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So you know what? We're making cookies today, but they're not ordinary cookies. Let's get started. So we are making FlapJacked. They are protein cookies. They are fat burning. Well, they help in fueling your fat burning. They promote muscle growth. They increase your energy, and they also help in curbing your hunger. So these cookies are the new jam. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. All right, so first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I'm not reading that, I'm just reading the labels because it's a pretty bag. So set it to 350. All right, so oven is set. First thing we do, this is total simplistic kind of stuff. Gonna add the butter. Now I'm using vegan butter in this recipe. You can use regular butter if you want. And then we're gonna add 2 eggs to the butter. And once this gets beat, we're gonna add in the mixture. So once this is all mixed up, I'll get back to you, and that'll be that. It smells like chocolate chip cookies. Anyway, yes, so it says to add in a little bit. Yes, I am super smart. And then we're gonna mix, add a little bit, mix, add a little bit until the batter is totally formed. All right, batter's ready, cookie sheet's ready. Let's put them on the pan. They're gonna go into the oven for about 12 minutes, and we'll try them out when they come out. Cool.
Chocolate! 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 Chocolate!
Very excited to give these a try. They smelled delicious, like I said before. Let's see here. Yeah, it smells really good. Oh my gosh. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. No, these are really, they were good. Trust me, they're good. Give these a try, guys. Yeah, FlapJacked. All right, oh, I gotta stop eating. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you thought. Have you tried this before? If you haven't, give them a try. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. I'm gonna go finish off like 6, right? That was the serving amount? Yeah, I'm gonna go finish off 7. I'll see you later, right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.